Mamaya. Go. Let's all meet the candidates for 2008 Binibining Anilag. Candidate number 1 from Calamba, Laguna.
Calamba, Laguna!
Candidate number 2 from
Hi, good evening. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Parna Estrada from the Twin City of the South, Cebu.
Oh, lapit-lapit na. Pak, pak, parak, pak.
Dito ha. Kung mana mataas sila kaya. Parang ang pokpo. Kanta na.